Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, more Pangolin news coming across our way. Now, you know I am big on Pangolin, and I believe this is one of those coins that has a high probability of currently 70 to 80 Xing based off data, based off a good amount of evidence. And you know what? I'm still sticking to that, right? We love Pangolin over here, and you know what? Things are just getting better and better. So we'll actually start from the back, and pretty much, just a few days ago, Pangolin did tweet that they are building. Okay, they are working on stuff, which I mean they have been for a while, and we know version 3 is just around the corner. Now, for me, I really want this to come out either this month or January at most, because any update is going to be crucial for this coin's success. We know time is limited because the bull market is just around the corner. I mean, we've been building up over the last few months, but what I'm really talking about is altcoin season in particular. Okay. So they pretty much said they are building, right? Things looked really good in terms of the data. They said pretty much, oh, everything is going to be our year, yada, yada, yada. But then I saw something that really interested me. So here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. They said the dev team has expanded and there's upgrade made in progress, which pretty much means they are going to be more efficient. And after version 3 comes out, there could be possibly another one or two good updates, to help support Pangolin, its narrative, and just as a token itself. So that is good. Doesn't tell us too much details. But the one thing I also want to jump into is pretty much Avalanche 9000 officially arrives on Monday. Okay. So as we know, Avalanche 9000 is amazing, especially for any coin under the Avalanche system. Okay. That's just the reality, right? I'm going to put in the most simple words just so you guys know. We're not going to get too technical. Pretty much what you have to know is that any coin or coins that do good, other coins will get benefits from it too. Okay. That is their reality. So that is amazing. So even if technically Pangolin would slack, which I don't believe it will, at the minimum, we should be kind of going up nice and steady just because it is a compound effect and every single coin under Avalanche 9000 reaps the benefits because they share liquidity, and it's kind of when I get a win, you get a win. Okay. That is the reality. So look, man, it is good news. It is good news. It arrives on Monday. So I'm excited to see how price action will be. That is when the weekly candle will officially close. If we go to Pangolin very, very quickly, we can see we talked about the weekly candle, how I want this to pretty much close at the 36-cent mark. It is kind of there, it's kind of not, but it's just about holding, which is just fine. The 35 and a half, 36-cent mark is the lowest I would want it to go. And when we look at it at the current moment, it is doing okay. It has a reverse head and shoulders pattern at the moment with the 4-hour time frame. It is not the strongest price action, I will admit. Things are a little slow, and the fact that it's going to be Saturday will make things even slower. However, I still believe Pangolin will hold, and once it holds, there may be a minor dip, but overall, it should be fairly bullish for this coin. Okay. So now the ultimate question is, if you're looking to invest in this coin, if you're new and you want to put some money, or you're someone that follows the channel for a while and you already have some Pangolin and you want to double down, maybe the ultimate question is now an overall good time to buy? I think generally, yes. I think generally less. Is there a chance the market might try to shake out and we might see Pangolin dip a little bit lower? That's also probability. But does that really matter in the grand scheme of things? Not really. I mean, that's just the reality, right? Altcoin season is much closer now than it is further. And any kind of dips are just minor dips because at the end of the day, the overall price action is very bullish. Okay. It is very bullish. So buying at 36 cents, you'll still get a fantastic deal. I don't believe we will be hitting these types of lows. Okay. Anywhere like down here, those days are long gone. You had since pretty much the beginning of August until late November. So you had a couple months to be snatching fantastic pangolin deals. And listen, you haven't missed out if you didn't buy there. Okay. That's the reality. You haven't missed out. So, don't sweat it. Once again, in terms of how our structure looks like for Pangolin, it kind of does seem we are doing something very, very similar to, kind of over here or over here, right? Where we kind of break out and then we retest, above a level like over here. And, this would actually make a lot of sense for Pangolin to more or less go like this, go up, then go again down like this, go again, test for the third time. The second test never breaks through. The third time would probably be something like this, and then just straight movement, which would pretty much kind of duplicate what has been happening the last previous time around, late 2023 November. Okay. So that is pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys did enjoy, right? I am super, super, super high on Pangolin. It's the number one dex under Avalanche. It's only at 80 million market cap. We go to Avalanche right now. Avalanche is sitting at 21.5 billion market cap. I believe this coin will easily smash 100 billion market cap this cycle, going over 250 bucks. I mean, I am super, super excited. I really genuinely am, and I cannot wait for this coin's future. I genuinely can, right? And Avalanche 9000 coming around the corner is just great news. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. All right. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And guys, talk to you guys next time. If you made it to the end of the video, you are a legend. And once again, I just want to share my gratitude towards you guys. You guys are seriously killing it. Our goal late November, at the beginning of December was to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We absolutely smashed that. Then our next goal was 2,500 subs by the end of the year. We smashed that. And, over the next few days, according to the stats, we should hit 3,000. So 3,000 subs before the end of the year is absolutely crazy. I am so thankful for every single one of you. Seriously, this means a lot to me. The next goal is 3,500 and then 4,000 and then, just keeping up the momentum. Seriously, guys, thank you so, so much for watching and liking and subscribing. It means everything. And, if you want your portfolio to be reviewed or to have cryptos reviewed every single day, then make sure to join the community. If not, it's all good. The support on YouTube is amazing regardless. And yeah, man, I'm just absolutely grateful. So thank you so, so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.